Get ready, this is going to be wild. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up in the middle of the wildest place on Earth? Out there, where the golden grass stretches all the way to the horizon, and the sky turns orange and pink at sunrise, something incredible is always happening. That place is called the Savanna, and it is home to some of the most amazing animals our planet has ever seen. Every morning, a lion opens its eyes and looks out over miles and miles of open land. Lions live in families called prides, and they look after each other, just like we do. The females are the hunters, fast, quiet, and incredibly smart. Not far away, a herd of elephants moves slowly through the dust. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and they have something truly special. They remember their friends, their families, and the places where they found water, even after many, many years. And then there are the zebras, each one wearing a coat of stripes, completely unique, like a fingerprint. No two zebras in the whole world look exactly the same. Moving beside them, the tallest animal on Earth stretches its long neck up to reach the very top of the trees. A giraffe can grow as tall as 5 meters. That is taller than most houses. Then, in a flash, a cheetah explodes into a run. It is the fastest land animal alive, reaching the speed of a racing car in just a few seconds. But here is the amazing part. The cheetah's spots are not just beautiful. They help it hide in the golden grass, completely invisible until just the right moment. And here is the most wonderful secret of all. Every animal on the savanna needs the others to survive. The grass feeds the zebra. The zebra feeds the lion. And when everything rests, the earth begins again. Life on the savanna is not just survival, it is a perfect breathing circle. Science is everywhere around us.